Hello everyone! Welcome back! As I said in my previous video about Rosh Hashanah, the Jewish New Year's, I will continue to create videos explaining the Jewish high holidays one by one. On Monday, the 25th of September, it will be Yom Kippur. On Sunday at sundown, all Jews above the age of bar or bat mitzvah will put down their glasses of water and lower their forks as the fast begins. Why do we fast? What is the significance of this day? I'll explain everything. And as usual, I'll include important Yiddish vocabulary one might need when speaking about this holiday. So what are we waiting for? Here we go! Sie fasten. Sie fasten. To fast. As I've mentioned before, we fast on Yom Kippur from when the sun goes down until the next day when it is completely dark, so roughly 25 hours. We fast because this is the holiest day of the year and we need to disconnect completely from everything physical. This refers to attending to our body in any way, including eating and drinking, applying creams and ointments, bathing, and even washing our hands past the knuckles. Sie essen. Sie essen. To eat. This is forbidden on Yom Kippur for most people. Under the age of bar and bat mitzvah, children are actually encouraged to eat plenty of sweets on Yom Kippur, as it is a pure and happy day and not a sad fast day like Tanat Esther and Tisha B'Av. Women who are about to give birth or have just given birth are exempt as well. People with severe medical issues are sometimes given a pass as well, but sometimes only a partial exemption, depending on the physical state of the person. This is because the Torah values our life more than anything and wouldn't want us putting ourselves in danger. Sie trinken. Sie trinken. To drink. Like eating, this is forbidden. In the case where someone is sick or their life is in danger, they are allowed to drink a little bit of water. This is the strictest fast day of the year, and unlike the morning fasts, where exemptions are given much easier, especially to drink water, people will have to refrain themselves on this one. Aranfasten or Ausfasten, to fast in and to fast out. Before fasting in, we are required to eat 2 large meals. During the last meal before the fast, we don't eat fish because that causes thirst. Fasting out is easy for some people and difficult for others. We can eat any food we'd like to fast out on, although in some communities it is a custom to eat the same foods we'd eat on Shabbat, like challah bread, meat, and fish. Before eating, make sure to rehydrate well with small, slow sips of water. A malach. A malach. An angel. As I've mentioned before, we imitate the holy angels on Yom Kippur to try to bring ourselves to the same spiritual level as them. One way we do this is by wearing the purest color, vas. Vas. White. Men will even wear their kittel, their ceremonial robes, which are also worn during Seder night on Passover. A zigul. A zigul. A stamp or seal. On Rosh Hashanah, Jewish New Year's, 10 days prior to Yom Kippur, we believe God writes down our fate for the coming year. We then have 10 days to pray and to try to change our decree for the better. On Yom Kippur, that envelope is sealed, stamped, and sent on its way. This day has a very serious and mighty tone, which can be felt in everyone's prayers. That's it for today. I'm wishing all to you who are fasting a meaningful and easy fast. May all your decrees be filled with joy only. Tak för idag, להתראות, tschüss and auf Wiedersehen!